under your nose. It means something is happening right in front of you, but you don't notice it. Example: where are my glasses? Oh, they were right under my nose the whole time. Zip your lip. It means to be quiet or stop talking. Example: you better zip your lip about this secret. Take it easy. Means to relax and not worry. Example: you've been working hard. It's time to take it easy and enjoy your holiday. Head over heels. Means to be very much in love. Example: they are head over heels for each other. Kick the bucket is a humorous way of saying someone has died. Example: the old man finally kicked the bucket last night. Hold your horses means to wait or be patient. Example: hold your horses. The show doesn't start for another hour. See eye to eye. Means to agree with someone. Example: after discussing for hours, they finally saw eye to eye on the issue. Run like the wind. Means to run very fast. Example: he had to run like the wind to win the race. Up in the air. Means something is uncertain or undecided. Example: our vacation plans are still up in the air. Jump for joy. Means to be extremely happy. Example: she jumped for joy when she heard she got the job. Keep your cool. Means to stay calm under pressure. Example: even during the crisis, he managed to keep his cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.